All right, what's going on, guys? I took two trades today. Both of them were winners. I took one trade on my funded futures account, and then I took another trade. I bought an options contract. But what I was thinking of, and the reason I took the trades today, and I want to show you, I had a 4 hour down trend line here, which has been playing the past couple of days, and we've had pretty decent reactions off of them pretty much every time we tested them. So that was kind of my analysis going into today was we had this overnight test of it. It rejected underneath it. Unfortunately, I didn't really get a great entry right off of the bat. I guess I was just waiting for a little bit more confirmation, and I ended up getting short off of this pullback. It kind of came back up and retested on VWAP here, and it was a pretty high conviction trade for me. Unfortunately, I didn't hold to my target, my original target, because I was getting short roughly at like 566. I had my stop above this high right here, which I thought was decent, 20 or 30 points, and my target was actually 441, which was yesterday's low, and it it started off really good. The speed was great. I was in the trade for a while, and then it started to slow down, and then I started to second guess myself. I really wanted to take profit, so I ended up taking profit. Still at over 2R, it was like 2.36 risk to reward. So still really happy with that trade. Came back with, and I'm also trading really small size. I'm actually trading micros now. My starting position is like 1 micro. I will enter into another position, maybe 2 micros, maybe 3 micros, depending on conviction. This morning, I wish I had more conviction because it played really well off of my original analysis. But I stayed with one contract and ended up coming away with like $100 today on my funded account. So I'm really happy with that. And then my second play today was actually a options contract that I bought shortly afterwards, after I exited my position. I just wanted to secure my profits on my funded account. On Top Step, I just closed everything out, didn't bother with it. And then I bought 465 put contracts on QQQ, and I got them for $55, or I got one contract for $55, and I was super happy with that. And pretty much right after I bought it, it just kept dropping. So again, these were 0 DTE contracts, so I wasn't looking to hold them long, but definitely to capitalize off of the fact that the market just was dropping with really no end in sight. So once we kind of reached, let's see here, if you can see here, this is where I entered on the futures contract. I exited about here roughly, entered on my options contract here, and then just took kind of this last 15-minute candle down to here. And then on this 15-minute candle retracement is where I exited, and I actually set my mental stop loss around like 40.70, and turned out to be a pretty decent trade. Was happy with both, and market's closed. I didn't really want to sit through this pullback. I know we ended up getting a little bit more, but again, it's a 0 DTE, and the premiums were going to get crushed here. So again, just took my profits. $41 return on a $55 options contract is what, 75, 80% return on that investment. So super happy with this. I have a really small balance on my options trading account, so I really want to make sure I'm trying to get higher quality setups and eventually start moving into more swing trading stuff. I can't swing trade futures right now. I can't afford it, but the objective is to just see if I can get into swing trades on the options accounts and see if I can slowly start to build up an account. So that's really all I have for you today. Simple trades, but it's been a while since I made a video, so I figured I would publish something. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.